Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to find your IGG ID in Lord's mobile game. If you are trying to link your account, report an issue or connect with supports in Lord's mobile, then knowing your IGG ID is essential. So in order to do that, follow through the steps. First, open up the Lord's mobile application on your device, whether it is Android or iOS. On the main screen, after everything loads up, look for the settings icon at the bottom right corner. Inside the settings menu, tap on account. Inside the account settings page, you will see your IGG ID. Tap on it in order to copy your IGG ID into your clipboard. Now, your IGG ID might help you in account recovery, for customer support, and when switching devices. It also connects you to in-game and events and offers. Now that you know your IGG ID, you are ready to handle support requests, account transfers, and more with ease. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.